Good morning. I just finished cooking our aubergine curry. It's one of our most popular recipes on the blog and it's really good. Not only because the time you put in is so little for the taste you get out of it, but also because, well, it makes aubergines really tasty. Many people who don't like aubergines like this curry. So this is how you make it. Okay, let's start with a pan on high heat and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add about 1 medium-sized aubergine in cubes. Alright, you have to stir them occasionally to make sure they don't burn. This is looking good. So put it back to medium heat now and add the diced onion to the mix. You can use red or white onion, but red onion definitely is the more traditional way. Stir and fry for another 5 to 6 minutes. Now add 2 cloves of garlic diced finely, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of coriander. Now stir all of it together and fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. We always stay here on medium heat. Okay, this is looking good. Now stir in 1 tin of chopped tomatoes. This is a small can, it's about 15 ounces or 400 grams. And also add coconut milk, about 1.5 cups. This is also a small can of around 400 milliliters or, well, 15 ounces I think it is. Alright. Okay, stir all of this together. And also in goes roughly half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of salt. Now, this has to simmer for about 15 minutes on medium heat. I'm going to put a lid on top as well. Not necessary, but I think it's definitely worth it. Okay, it's been roughly 20 minutes. The curry thickened up a lot already, exactly how we want it. Now it's time for taste testing, which means let's see if we need some more salt, maybe some sugar. Yeah, another dash of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and I also add about half a teaspoon of sugar. Okay guys, and that's it. Our aubergine curry is ready to serve. This is definitely going to be a super enjoyable lunch. A couple of notes before I go. So if you want to thicken up the curry because it's a bit runny, maybe you use some low-fat coconut milk or I don't know, for some other reason, then you can just use some starch like corn flour or any kind of other flour should work. I used corn flour often for sauces and this will also work very well with this curry. Well, also you could beef it up with some more protein. You could use chickpeas or something in that direction. Also lentils would work very well. Alright, but most importantly, enjoy the recipe. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Also, what kind of other recipes you'd like to see. And then see you in the next video. Bye.